Hey, good morning. My name is T. Evans at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Telephone number 864-236-9005. Today I'm going to be showing you a fresh trade. It's 2015 Mastercraft XStar, 250 hours. Very clean boat. It's got green metal flake and green flat green on it. Of course, it's the XStar. You got forward LED lights up on the towers. You can see them on the speakers there. Climb aboard and go through it real quick with you. Up front, you got the green LEDs on the speakers. You got blue courtesy lightings up under the colors there. Got great seating up front. There's your blue LED indirect. Got 10-inch sub. JL audio speakers throughout. Green LEDs. 4 tower speakers. Forward LED lighting. It's got Gen 2 surf. Great storage. It's got the Elmore 6.2. Very clean motor, very clean boat. It's gonna look great here soon. We got a panoramic display. Again, my name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Telephone number 864-236-9005. Give us a call. Thank you.